Can just 3 lines create 8 angles? Yes, and these 8 angles are actually the key to understand exercise 6.2. But before we jump into these type of angles, there is one basic concept we need to understand first, and that is a transversal. So let's understand it step by step. Let's start with two parallel lines. You already know that parallel lines are lines that never meet even they are extended infinitely in the both directions. Here lines L and M are parallel. Now let's add one more line that cuts both of these lines. This is called a transversal. Formally, a transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at a distinct point. In our diagram, line T intersects lines L and M at two different points. Therefore, T is the transversal. Now, here comes the interesting part. When a transversal cuts two lines, it creates 8 angles. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have 8 angles. Now we need to classify these 8 angles. First look at the angles lying between the two parallel lines. These are called interior angles. Here is an easy way to remember this. Interior means inside. So the angles inside the two lines are called interior angles. Now look at the angles outside of the two parallel lines. These are called exterior angles. So remember, interior means inside and exterior means outside of the parallel lines. But there is another important thing we need to observe. Look carefully at the transversal. Some angles lie on the same side of the transversal and some lie on the opposite side of the transversal. This position of angles is extremely important. Because of these positions, we can identify four important angles relationship. First is corresponding angles, then alternate interior angles, then alternate exterior angles, and last co-interior angles. These are the concept you will need for exercise 6.2. Let's see if you understand the concept. Quick test. Look at the diagram and tell me which angles are interior angles. I'll give you 3 seconds. And the answer is angle 3, 4, 5 and 6. Before we finish, let's quickly revise. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at a distinct point. When it cuts two lines, we get 8 angles. Angles inside the two lines are called interior angles. Angle outside are exterior angles. And the position of these angles help us to identify the special angles pair. Now you have the foundation you need for exercise 6.2, but the real fun starts next. In the next video, we are going to learn corresponding angles and I'll show you the simple way to identify them without getting confused. So don't skip the next video. I'll see you there.